The NZXT Kraken Plus 360 is a high-performance all-in-one liquid cooler designed to keep your CPU running smoothly under heavy workloads with its powerful turbine pump. This cooler features a vibrant 1.54-inch square LCD that allows you to customize your build with real-time system stats, custom images, or even animated GIFs. The three F120 P fans provide quiet airflow, efficiently dissipating heat, while the 0 RPM mode ensures silent operation during low loads. Installing the Kraken Plus 360 is straightforward and hassle-free with pre-applied thermal paste and a single breakout cable that minimizes cable clutter. It offers wide compatibility supporting the latest AMD and Intel CPU sockets, including AM5 and LGA 1851 with tool-free mounting brackets. The sleek black design of the NZXT Kraken Plus 360 complements any build, making it not only a functional but also an aesthetically pleasing addition to your system.